Hi everyone! So I wanted to share with you guys one of my favorite onions that I love to use, but that you should also try yourself if you haven't heard of them or tried them out. If you have watched my videos long enough and have tried all my dressings or my recipe videos and stuff like that, you know which onion I'm talking about. Yes, that is the leek onion. This is my favorite onion to use, and everybody uses the standard green onions all the time. I'm like, why is everybody using green onions all the time? Have they not heard of leeks before? You must try leeks if you've never tried them before, because it's such a cool onion. It's it's a fan. Seriously, it's a fan. Just the shape, this fragrance, and the taste is just amazing. And I use this in all my dressings because I find it gives off the best flavor for any type of dressing, raw dressing. And it's not like a really strong, pungent, oniony flavor, because I know when you get into the white onions, that's where you get a strong bite, onion flavor, and that's just like, no, I'm not into that really. I'm into the garlic flavors and the chives. Those I think give off the best oniony type flavors, but that's what the leek onion is. It's a cross between garlic and chives, the flavor, and so it's a nice balance between the two, but you so get your money's worth. I know up here they can get kind of expensive. They're like $2.50 per pound, but they also can be cheap, also like $1.29 per pound, or even 99 cents per pound sometimes. But I do buy the organic ones. But I mean, you can eat the entire onion, and the bottom part, including the tops. And what I like to do is I like to cut it in half first. And kind of use this part in my dressings, because I find this is where it gives off a lot of flavor in this part of the leek onion. And then I like to use the top for extra garnishing on top of the veggie meals that I make. Like after I've made my raw dish, veggie meal or salad or whatever, I like to finally chop the top, the deep green part, for added garnishing flavor on the top. But same with the bottom. But when you cut it, you'll see it's like rings. They're like in huge circles, and it's such a really cool onion, super tasty. And because some of you guys have asked me about the leek onion, to see if you can actually eat the entire onion, and yes, you can. And again, you get your money's worth. You so get your money's worth. It lasts a long time. Of course, they get super huge. Like some of them, they get even bigger, and then of course they can be smaller. But I always go for the biggest ones and the largest ones. And but there's different types of leeks out there too, because I've had leeks over the years so many times that I can tell that sometimes the stores are carrying a different type of leek. I could just tell, like the flavor is just slightly different than most of them I usually get. So I'm like, wow, they're actually carrying different types of leeks now. So I'm like, that's cool. I wish I knew which types they were, because I do have a it's like a Jonny Seeds book where you can order different types of seeds, fruits and veggie seeds and stuff, order online and stuff. But they have different types of leeks that you can buy. So that you can see all the different varieties of different types of leeks. And actually, you guys, let me just show you right now. This is the catalog I'm talking about. I got it from my mom. My mom orders from Jonny Seeds. That's where I actually got my sprouter from. I love my sprouter. It makes perfect sprouts every single darn time. I love this thing. But that's where I got my sprouter, because I have absolutely no luck with the mason jars there, guys. Alrighty guys, so here we go. So in the catalog, here's some different types of leek onions out there that you can buy. Well, these are the seeds, but it just kind of shows you that there's different types of leeks out there, which is so cool. Again, with the amazing abundance and variety God has provided for us, it's amazing what just one type of fruit or veggie or herb out there, all the different varieties that there are just within that one type of breed. Awesome, awesome, really. Okay guys, so there's another onion that I also really like is they're the garlic chives. So a lot of you guys know about these, and even just regular chives are awesome. So I guess all in all, chives are like a favorite for most people. Hopefully for most people. From a lot of people that I've talked to and everything, they like the chives, and I agree. Chives are awesome. And I know up here in Alaska, there's Arctic. It's a hardy Arctic chive, and it survives the winters out here. But they are very prolific, and they are super tasty. And so I grow my own chives in the summertime, and I just have so many of them. But it's an Alaskan cold climate type of chive, and it's really good, but not as good as these though. Okay guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you guys try leek onions if you haven't yet already. They are it's an amazing onion, and really, you'll probably find yourself using it all the time now instead of green onions or standard onions out there. But again, there's tons more different types of onions out there that are super delicious too, that pair very well with different herbs and spices and the types of produce, fruits and veggies that you're using when you're making a raw dressing or sauce and stuff. Because like a spaghetti sauce, leek onions would work, but I mean red onion actually tastes kind of even better with a spaghetti sauce, you know. But nonetheless, leek onions are still a mighty good option all the time. So remember to love being raw, you guys. Put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you, and I will see you guys next video, okay? Bye, guys.